Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, how to use Nature Glow Glutathione Collagen Skin Gummies. So you might be wondering, what is this Nature Glow Glutathione Collagen Gummies that you may be hearing online? Well, Nature Glow Glutathione Collagen Gummies, marketed under the name Glow, are chewable supplement combining glutathione and vegan plant-based collagen along with vitamin C, D, and E, B6, B12, and riboflavin, a folate as L-methylfolate, calcium, biotin, zinc as zinc citrate, pantothenic acid, and omega-3 fatty acids from chia seed extract. Now, they're positioned around skin brightening and radiance, along with general hair, nail, and bone support. Now, the gummies come in strawberry or cranberry flavor, sold in 60-count bottles, and are stated to be free of yeast, wheat, milk, eggs, soy, gelatin, peanuts, and shellfish with no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or preservatives. Now, in this case, how to exactly use this product here? Now, this is according to certain listings and instructions on the product. So, listing shows two slightly different directions here depending on the retailer. Now, in this case, one of them is just taking 1 to 2 gummies during the day or at night, chewed thoroughly before swallowing. Another specific or specifies here like 2 gummies before breakfast and 2 before dinner. Now, checking the instructions printed on the specific bottle purchase is worth doing here. So, since guidance varies by listing and depending on the actual product or where it's being sold. So, in this case, the product label notes that it isn't a medicine or a substitute for medication, and it isn't suitable for children, pregnant, or breastfeeding women, or people with diabetes. So, in this case, checking with your doctor or your physician or a health practitioner is the number one thing to do before actually buying or trying this type of products. Now, on the pricing side and availability here, this brand doesn't appear to have one single official manufacturer or manufacturer website here. Now, it's sold through a number of independent retailers, including Etsy shops, Amazon, and smaller specialty skincare sites. Now, with prices for a 60-count bottle commonly ranging from around $15 to $30, depending on the seller. Now, the bundle or multi-flavor packs price proportionally higher given the range of sellers here. Checking the specific listing being purchased for its exact ingredients breakdown, use direction, and return policy is worth doing before actually ordering. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.